Welcome back to my shop. Well, this isn't my shop. This is Mike Fulton's shop. It's this gentleman standing right over here. We've got Bob from RJB Woodturner and Cory from Black Widow Woodworks. And today we're going to do a collaboration. Everybody's going to pick a name out of a hat, well, out of a deck of cards. And we're each going to build a shop project for each other. So stick around. We're going to do that next.
All right, we got 4 playing cards down here. Names on the back of the cards. Somebody's going to draw a card. And whoever name goes with, it corresponds with one of the lists that's on the table here. And then the idea is to make something off that list. So Bob, why don't you go first?
I'm going to reach back here at the cards.
Easy, easy.
And I've got one. And I got Guy. All right. Lucky. Oh, that scares me.
All right, Guy. So the idea here is to keep it very random, and the project is kind of a surprise, so we don't know what we're going to build today.
Oh, all right.
I guess that makes it easy for us.
It does. So the last 2 left are me and Cory, so I got Cory.
So we drew names. I picked Bob, and Bob has asked me to build a dispenser to hold his sandpaper rolls for his lathe and also some tape for his lathe. Both Turner's tape and some masking tape and some duct tape. It's going to be a wall mount rack that's going to sit above his lathe so he can easily unroll some of these strips of sandpaper and cut them off and use them when he needs to. So my thought process is I need to make a cradle for this that these rolls of tape sit in, or this sandpaper tape, and then have a cutoff about right here. But I only want to cut the hole once, and then I'm going to split it in half, so I've got 2 sides of it.
Do it to the other side and we'll be done.
That is pretty much done with yours, isn't it?
Yeah. Then we'll try to cut. You're recording away, guys, so.
Oh, okay. So here's what I end up making for Bob. We've got a place for 4 rolls of tape. Actually, we've made these pegs deep enough to put 8 rolls of tape, 2 on each peg, and also for the rolls of sandpaper underneath here. The idea is that the sandpaper is going to come off here, go underneath this hacksaw blade, and he can just pull off what he needs. He's going to mount this about this height, right on the back side of his lathe. So thanks so much for watching, and I really want to thank Mike for letting us invade his shop for a day. Cory and Rob were a lot of fun to work with, and we had a lot of fun. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you later.